this is Mac with another video on my 4106 project. Apologies to those following that it's been so long since the last update. I've been meaning to get back to editing, and with 2020 being what it was, I want to take this opportunity to wish you all good health and a happy new year. While waiting for the bell housing gaskets and other parts to continue dressing the engine, I got started on the bulkhead. So this will be the first in a series of videos on how I patched it up. First I stopped drilled the cracks, then I started cutting out the metal between them and a little extra to gain access to the supporting structure. What I was trying to say was, I guess you guys finally get to see inside of the bus. I didn't realize the mic on my camera was messed up yet, so you'll just have to imagine the satirical bus tour commentary about solid oak cabinets, flex steel furniture, and tons of storage. Anyway, there's a tech installed, there's a baddie, the driver's control panel was reworked, there's the flex steel chairs and couch, a little dinette, galley with solid oak cabinets, a double sink. Fridge is missing, so there's a spare windshield and some things in there. It's got a shower on one side and an opposing bathroom. I want to knock these walls out to open it up a bit. Now, I was able to salvage some of the remaining audio, but sorry about its quality. I don't have a lot of light to work with back here. Cut down there. We got all the rivets we already opened up. And we got some cracking up here. And it runs along this rivet line. Can't really see, but it goes to about there. Really can't see in that corner, can you? But yeah, that's what it is. We'll hack away a little bit and see what we can do. I really didn't want to remove all these rivets, but it might only make sense to. We'll see. Get these rivets out. We'll get rid of this broken off. We'll cut off this crack. Runs along, and eventually it goes straight up between a couple rivets. A couple more rivets down where you can't see. We're just gonna remove all the rivets up to there. Cut it nice and clean. And cut the very top lip where it's bent up and all cracked open. And then we'll get some L-channel, and I think the best thing to do would be to hook it under this. And that should give it some strength, especially with the panel that's going over everything. And then we'll probably patch this with a box. Maybe we'll try to form a piece to fit in there better. But that sounds like a plan to me. Just riveted a few places and you know, seam seal in between there and call it good. This corner and just along the joints. Reinforcing strips should do it. I think as long as that L channel down there, the one running right under here, the one below it, aren't broken like they are right now, this should not have really as much stress on it. I mean, really, it's just a filler panel. It shouldn't be bearing all that stress. Anyway, we'll tie it all in nicely with many bolts, and hopefully it'll work out for a while. So I got a little more light in here just so you guys could see a little bit. See where the crack runs right along the rivets, and then right there it goes up right between these two. The rest of the panels together. So we'll cut this clean. Like I said, wrap a L channel under it. That should hold it together for us. Probably gonna have to cut a little bit of floor out here to get to weld the top of that